ready, car lovers, because the early Amazon Black Friday car deals 2025 are here, and the savings are insane, up to 74% off. From trending gadgets to must-have accessories, these early deals are flying off the shelves fast. Stay tuned as we uncover rare finds and massive discounts that'll upgrade your ride and save you big before the real Black Friday madness even begins. Number 1. Qifutan Car Phone Holder Mount Universal. Say goodbye to phone juggling while driving with the Qifutan Car Phone Holder mount. This universal holder grips your device firmly, keeping it safe even on rough roads. With 360-degree rotation and one-handed operation, you can easily adjust angles for navigation, calls, or music. It installs effortlessly on the air vent, dashboard, or windshield, fitting most smartphones without scratching. Sleek, durable, and reliable, the Qifutan mount combines safety, convenience, and modern design for a smoother driving experience. Number 2. Andery iPhone Magsafe Car Mount Charger 15 watts. The Andery iPhone Magsafe Car Mount Charger makes driving with your iPhone effortless. It locks magnetically and charges wirelessly with up to 15 watts of power, so you can forget messy cables. The compact mount attaches easily, and strong magnets hold your device steady even on bumpy roads. You can also rotate it freely for the perfect viewing angle. With fast charging, a minimalist look, and dependable performance, it's the perfect companion for Apple users on the go. Number 3. Terunsoul 4K plus 4K cam front and rear. Get full coverage of your driving journey with the Terunsoul 4K plus 4K cam. Featuring dual ultra-high definition cameras, it records crisp, detailed footage both front and rear, even in low light. Built-in loop recording, night vision, and motion detection make it a powerful tool for safety and evidence. Its compact design fits any vehicle without cluttering your windshield. Whether for insurance protection or scenic travel memories, this dash cam delivers professional quality and peace of mind on every trip. Number 4. Hotor Foldable Trunk Organizer 2 compartments. Keep your car neat and functional with the Hotor Foldable Trunk Organizer. It offers 2 roomy compartments and multiple side pockets to store groceries, tools, or travel gear securely. Made with durable, reinforced materials, it stays upright even with heavy loads. When not in use, simply fold it flat to save space. Lightweight, easy to clean, and perfect for daily use or long trips, this organizer turns messy trunks into perfectly arranged storage for every car owner. Number 5. Meguiar's Quik Detailer Car Spray 32 ounces. Get that freshly waxed shine in minutes with Meguiar's Quik Detailer Car Spray. The 32-ounce bottle removes dust, smudges, and light dirt while enhancing gloss and protecting your paint. Its gentle formula works on all finishes and won't streak or scratch. Perfect for quick touch-ups. It's ideal between full washes or before a trip. With easy spray application and fast results, Meguiar's Quik Detailer gives your car a showroom finish anytime, anywhere. No buckets or hoses required. Number 6. We love to drive portable tire. Inflator 12 volts. Never get stranded with a flat tire again thanks to the We Love to Drive portable tire inflator. Compact and powerful, it plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet and fills your tires quickly with precise digital pressure readings. The multiple nozzle attachments make it perfect for inflating sports gear or pool toys too. Quiet, efficient, and lightweight, it's easy to store in your trunk. Reliable and fast, this inflator ensures you're always ready for the road ahead. Number 7. Amazon Basics 65-piece Home Repair Toolkit. The Amazon Basics 65-piece toolkit gives you all the essentials for car maintenance, home projects, or quick repairs. It includes pliers, wrenches, screwdrivers, and a hammer, all crafted from durable steel for long-term reliability. Each tool fits neatly into the sturdy carrying case for easy portability. Ergonomic grips make work comfortable, even in tight spaces. Affordable, complete, and convenient. This kit ensures you're always prepared for life's everyday fixes and emergencies. Number 8. Lisen USB Fast Charge Car Charger Adapter. Power your devices faster with the Lisen USB-C Fast Charge Car Charger Adapter. Compact yet high-performing, it supports rapid charging for phones, tablets, and other devices right from your car's 12-volt outlet. With dual ports, you can charge 2 devices at once without sacrificing speed. Built-in safety protection guards against overvoltage and overheating. Sleek, reliable, and travel-friendly, this Lisen charger is the perfect accessory for keeping your devices ready wherever the road takes you. Number 9. Munchkin Brica Magnetic Stretch Sunshade. Shield your passengers from heat and harmful UV rays with the Munchkin Brica Magnetic Stretch Sunshade. Designed for easy magnetic attachment, it provides full window coverage while keeping your car cool and comfortable. Perfect for families, kids, and pets, it stretches to fit most vehicles and folds compactly when not in use. Durable, lightweight, and easy to install, it's a must-have travel essential that makes every drive safer and more enjoyable under the sun. Number 10. Syncwire Bluetooth FM Transmitter Car Adapter. Upgrade your ride with the Syncwire Bluetooth FM Transmitter Car Adapter. It connects your phone to your car stereo, letting you stream music, make hands-free calls, or listen to podcasts wirelessly. The clear display and easy pairing make it simple to use, while built-in noise cancelling ensures crystal clear sound. It even doubles as a fast charger for your devices. Stylish, compact, and powerful, this transmitter turns any car into a smart, connected entertainment hub. Number 11. Quik Waterproof Car Roof Cargo Carrier 15 cubic feet. Need extra storage for your next road trip? The Quik Waterproof Car Roof Cargo Carrier offers a spacious 15 cubic foot capacity to hold luggage, gear, or camping supplies securely. Made from durable, weatherproof materials, it protects your belongings from rain, wind, and dust. The reinforced straps and anti-slip mat ensure it stays stable even at high speeds. Foldable for easy storage when not in use, this carrier adds convenience, space, and peace of mind for every traveler. Number 12. SecuCaptain Emergency Fire Blanket 2-pack. Safety should always come first, and the SecuCaptain Emergency Fire Blanket is an essential for every home or vehicle. Made from high-quality fiberglass, it quickly smothers small fires without mess or toxic chemicals. Compact and easy to deploy, it's perfect for kitchens, camping trips, or car emergencies. With 2 blankets included, you can keep one at home and one in your car. Reliable and reusable, it's a simple yet life-saving tool everyone should have close by. Number 13. Blukar LED Rechargeable Headlamp 2000L2 Pack. Light up any dark situation with the Blukar LED Rechargeable Headlamp. Delivering up to 2000 lumens of brightness, this headlamp offers powerful illumination for camping, repairs, or nighttime driving emergencies. It's lightweight, adjustable, and USB rechargeable, so you never need to worry about batteries. With multiple lighting modes and 2 units in the pack, it's perfect for couples, families, or adventurers. Durable, weather-resistant, and comfortable to wear, the Blukar headlamp keeps you prepared wherever you go. Number 14. Autoboo Windshield Wipers 28 plus 28-inch pack of 3. Drive safely in any weather with the Autoboo Windshield Wipers. This pack of 3 includes 2 28-inch wipers designed to deliver smooth, streak-free performance. Made from durable, high-quality rubber, they resist cracking and withstand harsh rain, snow, or heat. Installation is quick and tool-free, fitting most car models easily. Whether it's heavy storms or light drizzle, these wipers provide clear visibility and quiet operation. Reliable, affordable, and long-lasting, Autoboo wipers are a smart upgrade for any driver. Number 15. Deolifego Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner 18,000 pascals. Keep your car spotless with the Deolifego Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner, featuring powerful 18,000 pascal suction. It effortlessly removes dust, crumbs, and peat hair from every corner. Its cordless, lightweight design makes cleaning quick and hassle-free. The rechargeable battery offers long runtime, and multiple attachments help tackle tight spots and upholstery. Quiet yet strong, this vacuum combines convenience, performance, and portability. Perfect for busy drivers, pet owners, or anyone who loves a clean, fresh interior. Number 16. Lensuge 4K Full HD Dash Cam front and rear. Protect your journeys with the Lensuge 4K Full HD dash cam. Featuring front and rear coverage, it records crystal clear footage with excellent night vision and wide-angle views. Advanced features like loop recording, motion detection, and G-sensor technology ensure you never miss a critical moment. Its sleek design fits neatly behind your mirror for a clean look. Whether for daily commutes or long road trips, the Lensuge dash cam delivers safety, reliability, and peace of mind. Number 17. Amazon Basics 12-watt fast charging car charger. Charge your devices quickly and safely with the Amazon Basics 12-watt fast charging car charger. Compact and efficient, it plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet to deliver reliable power to your smartphone or tablet. The smart design ensures optimal charging speed while protecting against overheating and overcharging. Small enough to fit in any vehicle, it's perfect for daily commuters or travelers. Affordable, durable, and dependable, this charger keeps your devices powered wherever the road takes you. Number 18. Autorich 3/8" S Tow hook, heavy duty, red. Be ready for emergencies with the Autorich Heavy Duty S tow hook. Built from solid steel, this 3/8" tow hook offers impressive strength for pulling or recovering vehicles safely. The bold red coating adds corrosion resistance and a rugged, sporty look to your car. Easy to install and built to last, it's perfect for trucks, SUVs, or off-road enthusiasts. Whether used for towing or decoration, the Autorich tow hook delivers durability and performance when you need it most. Number 19. Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder Adjustable. Keep passengers entertained with the Lamicall Car Headrest Tablet Holder. Its adjustable clamp fits most tablets and installs easily on any car seat headrest. Perfect for watching movies, video calls, or long road trips. It securely holds your device even on bumpy roads. The 360-degree rotation feature allows comfortable viewing angles for everyone in the back seat. Durable and stylish, this holder transforms your car into a mini theater, ideal for families and frequent travelers alike. Number 20. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD 2 Scan Tool. Diagnose your car like a pro with the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD 2 Scan Tool. This smart device connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth to deliver accurate, real-time diagnostics. It reads and clears error codes, monitors performance, and provides repair reports trusted by professionals. Compatible with most vehicles, it's a must-have for DIY mechanics and car enthusiasts. Compact, powerful, and easy to use. The BlueDriver puts advanced automotive insight right in your pocket. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on these early Amazon Black Friday car deals 2025 with savings up to 74% off. Grab your favorites now, upgrade your ride, and save big before the deals disappear.